Okay. So you have this LinkedIn course, Three Steps to the Perfect Pitch, and obviously it's really praised a lot. Can you sort of give us some of the key strategies you teach in the course and how that can transform sales for other people or companies?
Sure. So giving you sort of how I created the course and all of that.
Yeah, so that and also what are some of the key elements or teachings that you want to share it with the audience? Yeah.
Sure. So I was really fortunate to partner with a company called Madecraft out in Santa Barbara. And I was paired with a scriptwriter who walked me through exactly a framework to help me make sure that I was bringing great material to my audience. And that really, the first thing we had to ask ourselves is, what is the pain point of the people who I'm going to be making this for? And so that was the seed, the foundation. And essentially, I would say that keeping the videos really concise and short. So just to give you the technical aspect of it, that because according to studies, our attention span lasts only 8.25 seconds. So keeping it really short, especially in today's world with all the information coming at us, because it's more bite size, right? So that there was an element of strategy there. And then the biggest teachings with the course, I would say the through line, the message across all of it is that you want to show up to every sales call ready to help. Show up to every single sales call asking, how can I help you? The biggest teachings there that support that, one of them is the pressure release. And another part of it was asking great questions and how to set up the pitch. We talk about how to ask about the pain points and have the other person share their experience and what could happen and talk about it. Because if you as a salesperson are speaking, then you are selling. However, if you get them, your prospect or client, to share their pain points, then they're selling themselves. So having great questions that get them to talk about the pain is crucial. And the last part I'll leave with that is it's important to let them sit in the pain, because most mediocre, average, or not so seasoned salespeople, their initial knee-jerk reaction is to pounce. If there's pain, they're like, well, let me solve it for you right away. But that's not the way to do it. Humans are emotional creatures with the ability to think logically, not the other way around. So it's really crucial that you ask questions and let them sit in the pain a bit so that they can understand the long-term consequences if they don't make a change.